Anda sedang mendengarkan UT Radio, Open Education Station for All.
Kamu calon mahasiswa UT? Atau udah jadi mahasiswa UT tapi bingung cari informasi UT di mana? Ini dia program Seputar Universitas Terbuka. Siaran ini bisa kamu dengarkan dan saksikan secara live streaming di www.utradio.ut.ac.id atau YouTube Universitas Terbuka TV. Mulai dari informasi pendaftaran, registrasi, pembayaran, tuton, sampai ujian, kamu bisa dapetin infonya di program ini. Selain itu, juga banyak loh mahasiswa berprestasi dan inspiratif yang diundang siaran di sini. Jadi, jangan sampai ketinggalan ya. Terus dengarkan dan saksikan program Seputar Universitas Terbuka hanya di UT Radio, Open Education Station for All.
Wabarakatuh, UT listeners dimanapun Anda berada. Senang sekali saya Eka Ardhinie kembali menemani Anda kali ini dalam program Seputar Universitas Terbuka UT Radio, Open Education Station for All. Tapi hari ini kita edisi spesial ya, because today I have special guest from Gachon University, South Korea, and we will talk about high technology and sustainability in human civilization. So today, special guest for Seputar Universitas Terbuka program is Professor Sojin Kwang, the Emeritus Professor from Gachon University, South Korea. Okay, Prof, how are you today?
Oh, fine, very fine. Yeah, it's very beautiful campus.
Very beautiful campus. So welcome to UT Radio and welcome back to Universitas Terbuka, Open University.
Yeah, thank you very much for your inviting me to this program.
Yeah, so this is not your first time to come Indonesia and to come to Open University. So is there any words that you want to convey or you want say something to UT or Indonesia about your impression?
Yeah, yesterday I participated in the new rector inauguration ceremony.
Yeah.
And then there I could discover new hope from UT because Professor Ali, we've been exchanging several academic programs between Korea and Indonesia with Ali, and I found that Ali has a good capacity to bridging the different cultures and the different academic fields into one to make global peaceful.
Oh, global peaceful. So he is very nice, wise, and good leadership for Universitas Terbuka or Open University. Okay. Before we talk a lot about high technology and sustainability in human civilization, I remind to UT listeners, if you have any comment or question, you can drop your comment and question in UT TV Live, or you can send a message to our Instagram at radio.ut. Okay, Prof. Sojin Kwang, Emeritus Professor from Gachon University, South Korea. And before we are going to talk about our topic, please let us know about yourself, your background, education, and maybe the journey of your career to reach professor.
Yeah. I studied geography and economics at Seoul National University and got a master degree majoring in urban planning. And then finally I got a PhD in the field of public administration, specialized in regional development. And after that, I served the training Institute of Public Officials under the Ministry of Interiors in the late of 1980s. After that, I moved to Gyeongwon University, currently Gachon University, and served Gachon University for more than 30 years. And I served Gachon University as the dean and then sometimes vice president and retired. After that, I took the position of Emeritus Professor.
Emeritus Professor
at
from?
Gachon University.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how long you have been a lecturer, Prof? How many years?
How many years? Yeah, including another institute, maybe more than 35 years.
More than
35 years.
35 years.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So, you enjoy your life of being a lecturer?
I
until now?
enjoyed.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I can learn from my students when I was teaching them, and so many questions from students gave me new insights.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. 35 years to be a lecturer. I guess your student is not only from Korea, but also from another country
Of course.
for over
Yeah,
the world.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So you have many insight of their culture also.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Prof, let us know about your childhood. What was your childhood? You have hobby or start from the child you like to read book or whatever?
Yeah, very difficult question. You raised it for me to
I want to know,
answer.
maybe like another boy playing a kite
Actually,
or
I enjoyed climbing mountains and walking. And then I used to concentrate my minds and my thinking on writing books and articles like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many books do you
More than
accomplish?
30 books
30
I
books.
published.
Do you
Yeah.
remember?
Including co-authors.
Oh,
Yeah.
but do you remember some of the title of your books?
Yeah, yeah. In 2020, I published the book titled Interactions Between Time and Space.
Time and Space.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And there, I explained the human civilization as those interactions between time and space.
So you wrote some article or book about human civilization. It's not the first time, yeah, but
Yeah.
you have wrote a lot of topic about human civilization.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's my favorite topic.
Okay, if I have any question for you, and you can choose one, which one do you like? Which one do you like, watching movie or reading a book?
Both.
Both.
Yeah.
Why?
Because cinema, films, could give me some insight different from books. And sometimes when I was reading books, I could be inspired some other cultures and then remote experiences indirectly.
Okay. Could you mention what is your favorite movie or your favorite books and the author also?
You are testing my brain. Okay, yeah. A book, my favorite book is too many,
Okay.
yeah. But
Fiction or non-fiction?
non-fiction.
Non-fiction, okay.
Yeah. In 1945, the German scholar wrote about what is human.
What is a human? Okay.
Yeah, very interesting and haunted me. And then film, The Power of One.
The power
Power of one.
of one.
One person's power. In other words,
Okay, one
the
person in
background
power.
was, I remember that South Africa and the baby born in South Africa grew to the adults, and after that, with the background of so various experiences in South Africa, made him to do something different. So he began to persuade the natives to learn more, to be free from others, and to be independent from other helps, and raise yourself like this. And he cultivated with this spirit, anyway, the miracle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Prof, as you say that about human, I think you have a special interest with human, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it human very captivating to be analyzed in your
Yeah.
life? Why?
Yeah. Because from the birth, I saw so many people around me, and they gave me so many impacts to live for the future. And sometimes good person, sometimes no good person
Okay.
around here.
Bad
and
and
why?
good.
Yeah, is my question.
What?
Why he did me a favor, and why those people did me evil sometimes.
Okay,
Yeah.
because in life there is a bad and good people, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, Prof, that's very interesting for me to talk about human, and then your paper also about human civilization,
Yeah.
especially about high technology and sustainability in human civilization,
Yeah,
right? Okay, so you come here, you killing two birds with one stone, is it right? You come here to present your paper, and also Ute Radio invited you to give your this is general lecture maybe in the radio. Okay, so we will talk about high technology and sustainability in human civilization. But before I ask you a lot about high technology and sustainability, what is human civilization in your own perspective?
Okay. I used to think about human civilization as progress
Okay.
for the prosperity of mankind. But what is human prosperity? I don't know. I've never got the correct answer from this question. Yeah. So, bad or good, two phases.
Two
Of
phases.
human civilization. I am very, very interested in this topic. And sometimes technological advancement cultivated the human's prosperity, and sometimes destroyed human civilization, like nuclear atomic bomb in Hiroshima sometimes, and dynamite and DDT and freon gas. Like after using so many years freon gas as the refrigerator, some scientists found the able of freon gas to destroy ozone layer. If ozone layers is destroyed, absolutely humans and other living species cannot live longer. So it's very, very interesting and critical to human civilization. And then my concern is two phases of human civilization. How it will affect future generations.
Okay, how it will affect human
Future generations.
generation. Okay, Prof. Back to your paper. In your paper, at the beginning of your paper, you wrote that, or you mentioned about two perspective about technological optimism and technological pessimism.
Yeah.
Could you explain it more about it to us?
Okay. There may be two extreme perspectives, as you say, optimism on technological development and pessimism on
Technological.
technological development. So, here, for example, here, optimism notices that industrial revolution gave us abundant life, much more production, and then some prosperity for mankind. But sometimes some evidences from, as I told you before, freon gas or DDT or dynamite could destroy human civilization in some parts, or in some to some parts favor, to some parts evil, like this. Yeah. So optimism notes that new technology can solve those problems technology brought about us, but the pessimism notes that like freon gas or DDT or dynamite or nuclear weapons, new technology without any notice of humankind in advance may destroy our civilization, like this. So two extreme perspectives. But actually, there will be no two extremes. Anyway, we are to live in the middle of two extreme perspectives. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then for the second question for you, Professor, you mentioned that about interaction between technology and the spatial structure of the cities. Now, could you elaborate it?
Yeah. Actually, my PhD thesis was the impact of technological development upon manufacturing industries.
Oh, in Korea.
In Korea.
In Korea.
At Seoul National University. It took me 9 years.
Yeah, 9 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
To get the PhD degree with this thesis.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know. It's the evidence that I am very stupid.
No, that's a long journey. That's a struggle journey, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, new technology affects the spatial structure. For example, some technologies may disperse human activities to other regions, and some technology may concentrate human activities on some specific regions, like Silicon Valley and small Silicon Valley in Korea named Panjo Techno Valley, for example, like this. So we should pay special attention how new technology affect our economic activities.
Okay.
Yeah, like this. In the end, like human activities combined with fluid production factors and fixed production factors such as land into production activities like this. Dispersion and concentration and in the end resulting in conglomeration or agglomeration effects like this. Always interactions.
Always the interaction, and then high technology will be make a good economic too, or not?
I'm not sure because
sure.
as I told you already, high technology based protected by the patent system can destroy our civilization in the end, or who knows that? Because the patent system has no apparatus to examine the sustainable knowledge. So just the patent system intended to protect inventors' right. You know where, and so the result of high technology. Oh, who knows that result?
Who knows that? Yeah, yeah. Okay, Prof. We must have a non-commercial break, and then we will continue this topic in the second session. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, with the listeners, don't go anywhere, and because we will back again after this non-commercial break, don't go anywhere.
Anda sedang mendengarkan UT Radio, Open Education Station for All.
Jo, itu Teguh gimana ngajak-ngajakin warga kuliah itu gimana? Hah? Mas Teguh, saya dengar dari warga kamu itu ngaku mahasiswa dan kamu ngajak-ngajak warga kuliah. Kamu itu kerjanya di rumah terus, mau nipu ya?
Saya kuliah di Universitas Terbuka, Pak. UT itu negeri, biayanya pasti kantong warga. Kuliah bisa dari rumah, bahan ajar pun langsung, Pak, dikirim ke rumah.
Permisi, paket dari Universitas Terbuka.
Nah, sekarang percaya toh, Pak, cuma Universitas Terbuka yang bisa kayak gini.
Ayo, aduh.
Mama.
Udah pulang.
Menurut Papa,
Mama dulu. Mendingan kamu kerja.
alah, mendingan kamu kuliah dulu. Kamu masih muda, masa depan kamu masih panjang.
Mendingan kerja.
Mending kuliah dulu.
Ih, mending.
Udah, kan ada Universitas Terbuka. Kuliah bisa sambil kerja, kerja bisa sambil kuliah. Anti kau mendang-mending.
Swasta ya?
Negeri,
Pasti mahal.
murah mah.
Kalau begitu, mending kamu kuliah.
Sambil kerja.
Kuliah fleksibel sesuai gayamu.
Loh, kok di sini? Katanya mau kuliah.
Lah, ini aku kuliah
Kuliah di mana kok sambil healing?
di Universitas Terbuka.
Hah, Universitas Terbuka? Apa tuh?
Iya, Universitas Terbuka, universitas negeri yang bisa kuliah sambil kerja.
Hah, kampus negeri? Bisa sambil kerja?
Iya, bisa sambil kerja. Selain sambil kerja, aku juga bisa sambil healing, sambil jalan-jalan, dan menyalurkan hobi aku. Pokoknya fleksibel deh.
Wih, enak banget ya. Pengen deh kuliah di Universitas Terbuka.
Pada di sini.
Ayo anterin aku daftar di Universitas Terbuka.
Iya, daftar aja.
Mel. Hai Fir, gimana? Kamu sudah dapat email validasi sebagai mahasiswa UT?
Udah dong, aku udah dapat email validasi sebagai mahasiswa UT. Terus aku harus apa lagi ya, Mel? Kemarin aku ambil jurusan hukum. Di UT aku lihat ada jurusan hukum, Mel.
Iya pasti ada dong, di UT banyak pilihan jurusannya kok Fir. Oh iya, kamu mau registrasi mata kuliah jurusan hukum kan? Gini nih caranya.
Nah, pertama kamu buka browser di handphone atau laptop kamu dan ketik sia.ut.ac.id. Kemudian kamu pilih admisi calon mahasiswa dan mahasiswa.
Oh iya.
Kemudian kamu masukkan email dan password yang kamu daftarkan. Kemudian kamu akan dibawa ke halaman dashboard mahasiswa. Kemudian kamu klik akademik yang ada di kolom sebelah kiri menu. Lalu kamu pilih registrasi mata kuliah. Lalu kamu klik tambah alamat dan kamu isi dengan lengkap data-data yang dibutuhkan untuk pengiriman bahan ajar. Kalau sudah kamu isi semua, kamu klik simpan. Setelah data kamu berhasil disimpan, kamu klik kembali untuk menuju ke halaman dashboard. Dan kamu pilih lokasi ujian kamu untuk menjadi daerah tempat ujian kamu nanti sesuai domisili kamu. Nah, kalau sudah, sekarang kamu bisa memilih mata kuliah apa saja yang akan kamu ambil. Caranya dengan mengetik mata kuliah di kolom cari mata kuliah. Kamu cari mata kuliah apa saja yang kamu ingin ambil, lalu klik tambah ke daftar kuliah. Kalau ada mata kuliah yang kamu ambil di luar prodi kamu, maka akan ada notifikasi atau pemberitahuan kalau kamu mengambil mata kuliah yang beda prodi. Bukan hanya itu, kalau ada mata kuliah yang bersamaan, maka akan ada pemberitahuan juga, jadi kamu bisa mengambil mata kuliah yang lain. Kalau kamu sudah memilih mata kuliah apa saja yang kamu mau ambil di semester ini, dan kamu ambil mata kuliah yang melebihi SKS yang boleh kamu ambil, maka nanti akan ada peringatan kalau kamu tidak bisa mengambil SKS melebihi SKS yang dapat kamu ambil. Nah, terus kamu checklist di kolom-kolom tutorial online kamu agar kamu mendapat tutorial online di mata kuliah yang kamu ambil. Selanjutnya, kamu klik registrasikan mata kuliah. Dan akan muncul total tagihan kamu yang terdiri dari biaya registrasi mata kuliah dan juga biaya bahan ajarnya. Dan kamu klik buat tagihan agar registrasi mata kuliah kamu bisa diproses. Setelah itu, kamu bisa melanjutkan dengan klik cetak billing untuk melihat atau mencetak billing pembayaran kuliah kamu satu semester ini. Setelah kamu bayar billing ini, maka kamu sudah siap untuk kuliah di Universitas Terbuka.
Wah, mudah sekali ya Mel, ternyata registrasi mata kuliah di UT.
Ya iyalah Fir, selain mudah daftar dan registrasi, Universitas Terbuka juga memudahkan kamu. Karena kan waktu kuliahnya bisa kapan aja dan di mana aja.
Bener banget Mel, aku jadi gak sabar deh untuk kuliah di UT. Doain aku ya supaya aku lulus tepat waktu.
Pasti dong Fir, selamat ya kamu udah jadi mahasiswi Universitas Terbuka.
Makasih ya Mel.
You are listening to Seputar Universitas Terbuka UT Radio, Open Education Station for all, and we will continue our discussion about high technology and sustainability in human civilization, still with Emeritus Professor, Gachon University, South Korea, Professor Sojin Kwang. So, Prof, we will back again, and then we still talk about our topic, high technology and sustainability in human civilization. And in this session, in the second session, we will discuss about the trajectory of technological development from discovery, innovation to imitation, and how this progression influences production, system, and also society. So, my question is, how are the stages of technological development, discovery, innovation, and imitation related to sustainability in influencing production system and society.
Okay. Stages on technological development can be divided various groups depending on scholars and the field. But I noticed Shepard's classification divide in 1990. He classified those stages of technological development into 3 stages. The first stage is invention, in other words, discovery. And then second, commercialized innovation.
Okay.
And then finally, imitation, like this.
Discovery, innovation, and imitation.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. But as the market size increase, the stage may be from the first discovery to innovation, and finally to imitation. And then the time flows corresponds to this market size, like this. And as time flows, the invention, the discovery will be weighed more, and then innovation later. And finally, in the severe competition condition, imitation will be appearing in the market, like this. Yeah. But the impacts of technological development, depending on stages, very, very different. Yeah. So we should pay special attention at the initial stage, invention or discovery stage, I mean, because the invention stage and the discovery stage used to be protected by the patent systems and not test the evil impact on human civilization at that time. And then just give the inventor some privileges, free from competition.
Some privilege from some competitions.
From competitions, severe competitions in the market.
Civil competition.
Without any competition, the inventors used to enjoy the benefits from the patent system. So this period usually 20 years guaranteed under the patent system. But who knows the final result of this invention on human civilization, like dynamite or DDT or freon gas, like this.
Okay, so we also need civil competition to accomplish or to reach something that better, from discovery and then until imitation, discovery, innovation, and imitation.
Usually scientists to avoid severe competition in the market or to be free from severe regulations on their inventions used to chase high technology. Like this, to discover new method or new products or to invent new products, to introduce new products in the market, like this. So they want to be protected by the patent system, like this, exempted from the severe regulation in the market.
Okay.
But the result will be very will vary depending on the impacts on human civilization.
Okay, depending on human civilization, yeah. Prof, that's very captivating for me after we talk about technological development. And then now we will move to discuss about patents, a system originally designed to protect inventors, but one that has brought significant consequences for the environment. Why do you criticize the patent system as an obstacle of sustainability?
Because the current patent system ignores the sustainability. I mean that not to test the final impact of new inventions or new discoveries to human civilization, because human beings are bounded by the knowledge. We have no sustainable knowledge. So how can we test the final impact on the initial stage? I mean that the discovery stage. We can't. So we should be careful not to destroy with these new inventions and new technologies on human civilization.
So
yeah.
not to destroy?
Yeah,
The
may
invention.
destroy.
Okay.
May give us some benefits, but may destroy our human civilization. Yeah.
So that you criticize, about
the patent system.
The patent system.
So I suggested to reform the current patent system to test or to assess the final impacts of new inventions. But the problem is that we don't know the sustainable knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then
It's the problem because human recognition capabilities is to be bound.
to be bound.
Yeah, limited.
Okay. Okay. Any additional explanation about this?
And so sometimes I used suggest some solutions to build good governance.
To build good governance. Okay.
I mean that all stakeholders in human civilization must express their opinions, how to practice or how to realize human sustainability of human civilization and like this. So before giving the patents to inventors, to hear much from the audience, all stakeholders in the world.
Okay, all stakeholders must be have a same pattern of mind.
Yeah, and can express their opinions about the new inventions.
Okay, okay.
And then it's very, very important. In order to all stakeholders participate in decision making on the patent system about new inventions and new technologies, social capital such as trust, network, and participation should be accumulated in our surroundings.
So it's not easy, but it's not difficult to build a good governance, because the whole stakeholder must sit together and talk about the sustainability in human civilization.
You know well, as you said, it's a very difficult topic. So maybe the topic will sustain forever in academic circle as well as in our practical circle. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Prof, we have a non-commercial break again, and we will continue this topic in the third session, yeah? So, the listeners, I remind you, if you have any question and comment, you can drop your comment and question in UT TV Live, or you can send a message to our Instagram at radio.ut. So, don't go anywhere. We have this non-commercial break.
Anda sedang mendengarkan UT Radio, Open Education Station for All.
Loh, kok di sini? Katanya mau kuliah.
Lah, ini aku kuliah.
Kuliah di mana kok sambil healing?
Di Universitas Terbuka.
Hah, Universitas Terbuka? Apa tuh?
Iya, Universitas Terbuka, universitas negeri yang bisa kuliah sambil kerja.
Hah, kampus negeri? Bisa sambil kerja?
Iya, bisa sambil kerja. Selain sambil kerja, aku juga bisa sambil healing, sambil jalan-jalan, dan menyalurkan hobi aku. Pokoknya fleksibel deh.
Wih, enak banget ya. Pengen deh kuliah di Universitas Terbuka.
Pada di sini.
Ayo anterin aku daftar di Universitas Terbuka.
Iya, daftar aja.
Gimana? Kamu sudah dapat email validasi sebagai mahasiswa UT?
Udah dong, aku udah dapat email validasi sebagai mahasiswa UT. Terus aku harus apa lagi ya, Mel? Kemarin aku ambil jurusan hukum. Di UT aku lihat ada jurusan hukum, Mel.
Iya pasti ada dong, di UT banyak pilihan jurusannya kok, Fir. Oh iya, kamu mau registrasi mata kuliah jurusan hukum kan? Gini nih caranya. Nah, pertama kamu buka browser di handphone atau laptop kamu dan ketik sia.ut.ac.id. Kemudian kamu pilih admisi calon mahasiswa dan mahasiswa.
Oh iya.
Kemudian kamu masukkan email dan password yang kamu daftarkan. Kemudian kamu akan dibawa ke halaman dashboard mahasiswa. Kemudian kamu klik akademik yang ada di kolom sebelah kiri menu. Lalu kamu pilih registrasi mata kuliah. Lalu kamu klik tambah alamat dan kamu isi dengan lengkap data-data yang dibutuhkan untuk pengiriman bahan ajar. Kalau sudah kamu isi semua, kamu klik simpan. Setelah data kamu berhasil disimpan, kamu klik kembali untuk menuju ke halaman dashboard. Dan kamu pilih lokasi ujian kamu untuk menjadi daerah tempat ujian kamu nanti sesuai domisili kamu. Nah, kalau sudah, sekarang kamu bisa memilih mata kuliah apa saja yang akan kamu ambil. Caranya dengan mengetik mata kuliah di kolom cari mata kuliah. Kamu cari mata kuliah apa saja yang kamu ingin ambil, lalu klik tambah ke daftar kuliah. Kalau ada mata kuliah yang kamu ambil di luar prodi kamu, maka akan ada notifikasi atau pemberitahuan kalau kamu mengambil mata kuliah yang beda prodi. Bukan hanya itu, kalau ada mata kuliah yang bersamaan, maka akan ada pemberitahuan juga, jadi kamu bisa mengambil mata kuliah yang lain. Kalau kamu sudah memilih mata kuliah apa saja yang kamu mau ambil di semester ini, dan kamu ambil mata kuliah yang melebihi SKS yang boleh kamu ambil, maka nanti akan ada peringatan kalau kamu tidak bisa mengambil SKS melebihi SKS yang dapat kamu ambil. Nah, terus kamu checklist di kolom-kolom tutorial online kamu agar kamu mendapat tutorial online di mata kuliah yang kamu ambil. Selanjutnya, kamu klik registrasikan mata kuliah. Dan akan muncul total tagihan kamu yang terdiri dari biaya registrasi mata kuliah dan juga biaya bahan ajarnya. Dan kamu klik buat tagihan agar registrasi mata kuliah kamu bisa diproses.
Setelah itu, kamu bisa melanjutkan dengan klik cetak billing untuk melihat atau mencetak billing pembayaran kuliah kamu 1 semester ini. Setelah kamu bayar billing ini, maka kamu sudah siap untuk kuliah di Universitas Terbuka.
Wah, mudah sekali ya Mel ternyata registrasi mata kuliah di UT.
Ya iyalah Fir, selain mudah daftar dan registrasi, Universitas Terbuka juga memudahkan kamu. Karena kan waktu kuliahnya bisa kapan aja dan di mana aja.
Bener banget Mel, aku jadi gak sabar deh untuk kuliah di UT. Doain aku ya supaya aku lulus tepat waktu.
Pasti dong Fir, selamat ya kamu udah jadi mahasiswi Universitas Terbuka.
Makasih ya Mel.
Pengen kuliah? Kuliah di perguruan tinggi negeri. Pusing dengan biaya tes masuk. Bukan cuma itu. Biaya kos, biaya makan, ongkos, kuota mahal.
Gak usah galau. Kan ada UT. Kuliah di Universitas Terbuka. Tanpa ongkos, tanpa kos, iya. Hasilnya, jos. Universitas Terbuka. Kuliah fleksibel sesuai gayamu.
Halo, saya Angga Yunanda, mahasiswa Ilmu Komunikasi Universitas Terbuka. Saya baru saja menyelesaikan studi saya di Ilmu Komunikasi. Terima kasih banyak UT telah memberikan akses edukasi yang sangat menyeluruh kepada pemuda-pemudi Indonesia.
Perpustakaan.
Listening to UT Radio Open Education Station for all and in a special program of Seputar Universitas Terbuka and still with Professor Sojin Kwang, the Emeritus Professor from Gachon University, South Korea. We will continue our topic about high technology and sustainability in human civilization. Prof, this is the last session of our talk show and we will talk about technological optimism versus pessimism. And how do you think about the optimistic and pessimistic camps regarding technological development and its implication for human civilization?
Yeah, it's very, very important. Actually, there will be no extreme optimism and pessimism. But it's very important for us to divide into two groups. Both sides have their arguments. The optimists believe that the new technological advancement can solve every problem caused by the new technology up to now. A clear example can be seen in medical progress. In the medical advancement enlarged our expectancy life, in human. And on the other hand, the pessimists emphasize the environmental degradation after the Industrial Revolution and plastic problems, for example. It's very, very dangerous for the next generations. And then climate change. We all are facing with this climate change. Thus, fire technology certainly provides benefits to human beings, but it can also impose heavy cost on the next generations. So we should pay special attention not to benefit the current generation only. We share those benefits with the next generations.
Okay. So, and then what important step, Professor, should we take to secure the sustainability of human civilization?
Yeah, it's a good question, but it will take a long time for me to answer your question because I should study more to answer you. But anyway, it is true that we should reform the current patent system.
Reform.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And then we should ensure sustainable knowledge. Before testing the final impacts of our knowledge, we should be careful not to use those knowledges into industry or into producing some articles, some products to the market like this, to prevent the ill effects of new products to human civilization. And to do so, we should build good governance with all stakeholders about the future situation of human beings. And to do so again, let me stress how to accumulate social capital. For example, I trust in others, and others will trust in me, like this. And the networks to communicate with each other so fluently and to discuss about evil effects, negative effects of new technology in the market, like this. So we should try to avoid the negative effects of new technology or high technology because those people, I mean that the inventors or innovators used to tend to chase the benefits from the new technology or new products they developed or they invented like this in the market without any responsibilities to the next generations.
Okay.
Yeah.
Except there is a responsibility to the next generation. Yeah, you can go on.
Yeah. The final answer may be so maybe from human ethics.
Okay, human ethic.
Yeah. Yeah. Even though physical abundance, the human ethics should be raised, educated, disciplined among our society. It's why Terbuka, Universitas Terbuka should play more important roles for the next generations.
Okay, so don't forget about the ethic.
The ethics.
Ethic, habitual, that must be applied in every form of our human civilization.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean that the ethics of human beings free from benefits just for the current generation.
Okay. Prof, the last question from me for this topic. Maybe you have any suggestion to the listeners or to the students of Universitas Terbuka, Open University students. What must be highlighted for this topic about high technology and sustainability in human civilization?
Yeah, we studied to make more money usually, but money is not all we need in human civilization. So we should pay special attention to others, especially to next generations, to avoid destruction of human civilization up to now. Yeah, so especially students enrolled in Universitas Terbuka, I will ask you to be careful, not to destroy others, and then not to chase just only money. Yeah, money is not all, and then careful considerations to others, especially to the next generations, will be good educational goal must be chased from Universitas Terbuka.
Okay, so we need money, but money is not all, We must be careful and take care to the next generation.
Yeah. We want money, more money to make me happier, but pay attention, not to destroy others' happiness.
Not to destroy other happiness.
Yeah.
Okay, Prof. Thank you for your comment. But one more question for you.
Okay.
I think Korea from the movie or from the information just only about K-pop and also K-drama. But could you tell us about South Korea in your own words?
Actually, I'm not interested in movie and K-pop like this. So, it's very difficult.
But a little bit about the culture of South Korea that maybe we have never heard before.
Just one thing may be clear for me. When I was young, there was no varieties in our educational progress. But now, so many programs. And then Korean education focuses on how to live with others, especially with different people in the world. The varieties.
Okay.
Is the key point to cultivate K-pop and K-drama like this. The final destination will be human being.
Human being.
Yeah, focusing on human living conditions and human sense of taking care of others like this. It may be the key point to spread K-style to other countries.
Okay. Okay. That's a good point. Thank you so much for your coming and for your insight and for your time. Maybe we can meet again in another situation with a good condition and good news. Another news, maybe you can present also another paper in Open University, Prof.
Okay, I hope those students disciplined from Universitas Terbuka will play very, very important to cultivate sustainable human civilization in the future.
Okay, so don't forget to be a good people. Is it right? Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Professor Sojin Kwang, the Emeritus Professor from Gachon University, South Korea. See you later. And I hope you always good condition, and then we can meet again in another time, yeah. Okay, well, the listeners, thank you so much for your watching, and then reading newspaper in the morning. See you later and keep shining. Saya Eka Ardhinie. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih.